Now, let's say, for example, you're going to edit a page or a post for the very first time, and this was the post that you wanted to edit here. We will scroll down, have a very quick look at it. So that's what it looks like here on the website. Now, you're brand new to this. You don't know the first thing about building websites, HTML or anything like that. And then we go and have a quick look at what this looks like on the back end. And as we can see here, it just looks like a big mess of characters that, if you've never looked at HTML before, probably makes no sense at all. But I'm going to probably go against what seems logical and tell you to try and get used to working with the HTML instead of what's known as a WYSIWYG editor, which we'll have a quick look at this here. This is the visual or WYSIWYG editor, which stands for what you see is what you get. And the reason I would say try and avoid this if possible is because you don't get what you see. Trust me, it just the WYSIWYG editors are not perfect. They can mess up the back-end code quite a lot. And although WordPress's WYSIWYG editor is quite good, I still don't trust it, and I just got used to using the HTML. I wish I did it earlier because I had to learn it the hard way and made plenty of mistakes, messed up all the coding, and that's why I had to learn HTML. So it is actually a lot easier than you would think once you have a bit of a play around with it. So I would encourage you, in the way I'm going to be showing you here, is how to use this section here under text using direct HTML instead of the WYSIWYG. Now, there's plenty of tutorials on the internet. If you want to, if you don't believe me and want to go and use the WYSIWYG editor, you're more than welcome to go and do that. But that's how I'm going to be showing you. Now, the reason I'm confident that you're going to be able to do this is, initially you're not going to be trying to create a whole entire website or anything like that. What you're likely to do is either go have a look at the post here and realize that there's a word spelt wrong there, or there's you'd like to add a new paragraph under this one, or change this image over to something else. It's only likely to be minor things initially, okay? And you might be changing all of the text in a post or something like that, but it's not going to be massive. And shortly I'll show you how you can use what is already there to give yourself a head start, so that it's not reinventing things. But trust me, the HTML is going to be much easier for you in the long run.